Hello students, welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen that the analogy between electrostatics and magnetism, or understanding of the magnetism with the help of electrostatics, or what is the similarity between electrostatics and magnetism. By using these similarities in electrostatics and magnetism, now we are going to write the expression for magnetic field due to bar magnet at a point along its axis. Now consider a bar magnet. It consists of two poles, N pole and S pole. Magnetic strength of the north pole is denoted by plus M, and magnetic strength of south pole is denoted by minus M. Let O be the center of this bar magnet. Center of the bar magnet. Distance of S pole from the center is denoted by L, and distance of the north pole from the center, it is equal to L. Therefore, the total length of this bar magnet is equal to L plus means 2L. 2L is the distance between the two poles of bar magnet. This 2L is the length distance between two poles of the bar magnet. We have to write the magnetic field expression for magnetic field due to bar magnet at a point along the axis. What is the axis? We know that the line passing through the two poles of the magnet is called axis. Say this is the axis of the given bar magnet, and the point P is situated on the axis of this bar magnet. We have to determine the expression for magnetic field at point P due to this bar magnet. Now, we have already derived the expression for electric field due to a electric dipole at a point along the axis. We know that these are the two charges of electric dipole. We know that electric dipole consists of two oppositely charges having same magnitude separated by a finite distance. O is the center of this dipole, 2L is the length of this dipole. This is the axis. What is the axis? The line passing through the two electric charges of the dipole is called axis, and let us consider point P is situated on the axis of the dipole. This point P is situated, say, at a distance r, means r is the distance of the point P from the center of the dipole. And we have derived the expression for electric field at point P due to this bar magnet. It is given by EA is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2P divided by R cube if the value of L is very small as compared to R. This is the expression for electric field or intensity of electric field. Using this concept, we have to write the expression for magnetic field. Let us consider this point P is situated at a distance r, means r is the distance of, say, r is the distance of the point P from the center of the magnet, bar magnet. It is the dipole, magnetic dipole. In electric field at the axis is denoted by EA. Electric field on a magnetic field on the axis is denoted by BA. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is the constant in case of electrostatics. In magnetism, this constant is mu 0 upon 4 pi into 2 as it is. What is P? P is the dipole moment, electric dipole moment, and M is the magnetic dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is denoted by P and magnetic dipole moment is denoted by M. And R is the distance of the point P from the center of the electric dipole. Here R is the distance of the point P from the center of the bar magnet or magnetic dipole. This is the expression for magnetic field at a point which is situated on the axis of bar magnet. Now we know that what is the direction of EA? Electric field, it is a vector quantity, and direction of EA is from negative charge to positive charge. In this case, the direction of field is same as that of the magnetic dipole moment. We know that the direction of magnetic dipole moment is from south pole to north pole, and in this case direction of magnetic field is same as that of the magnetic dipole moment, and this is the expression for magnetic field due to a bar magnet at a point which is situated on the axis. BA is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi 2m divided by r cube. Thank you.